Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be doing a chili garlic bread. For that you will need some butter. You can either microwave it or you can soften using a spoon. Alternatively, you can use olive oil. Now add in some chopped chili. Mix it well with the butter. The next step is to add 1 teaspoon of garlic, grated garlic. Mix it well so that you make it into a paste. Now spread the butter on the bread on both sides. As I said, if you're health conscious, you can use olive oil. Place the breads on the baking tray. Sprinkle grated cheese all over the bread. And microwave it for about 4 minutes in medium high temperature. Alternatively, you can use tawa for baking the bread. Use a lid to cover the tawa so that the cheese will melt well. Do try this recipe at home. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.